Carrie.
Hi, Claire Carey.
This is week 1 and 2 of Intermediate Advanced Foxtrot.
Yeah.
And so here's what we've done so far. So we started off with the notion that we want nice gliding steps and a full-blown push-off. So slow, slow. Then we're going to load up this foot and do a push-off, right? So it's not the foot that steps, it's the foot that sends, right? And I'm making that easier for my follow by creating a little bit of shading.
So if this is our normal angle, she's going boop.
So it looks like this. Slow, slow push off, quick, quick. Good. Then we started talking about the whole concept of working in Legos, which means almost any piece can go almost anywhere. And we want to pay attention to, obviously, the phrasing of the music if we can, and that's what's going to make it the dance the very best, right? So if we took the basic, we have a slow and a slow, and we could just go side, 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 slow, slow, slow. Then we have slow, 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 slow. And notice I'm not using this hand to push her, but she's going all the way back until
Settle, keep that linear intent.
Until I redirect her. Then she's
Settle, going that way.
and she's coming into my hand. So that would work fine this way, right? Slow. So we can add those in to our basic. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow, slow, quick, quick. We could go slow, slow. I could double it up. And slow, slow, quick, quick. Then we played with a little step through. Let me come this way. And the step through, so generally speaking in Foxtrot, I'm paying attention to how I can place my follows foot where I would like that foot to be. So in this case, I'm going to do a little lift with a step through. It turns out that it's happening on the and if I were to verbalize this.
You're going slow and quick, quick, slow and slow
And
quick,
quick.
slow and quick, quick, slow and bop, bop. We talked about this idea that there's almost a little, there's like a little hiccup feeling in the frame that gives us just that little bit of lightness that makes that little step through easier.
So slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick. And then I'm going to go ahead and straighten her out before I take my first slow step. Then we added on to that. Grapevines turn out to be sort of handy at this moment. So we can go slow, slow, quick, 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 step, step, slow, slow, quick, quick. And those last 2 steps are your steps where you're going to bring your follow in front, take 2 steps, square up, so you can actually go forward, all right? And then, with any luck, I'm going to tie that in to the 8-count phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Square up once.
All right. Then we worked on basic extensions.
Yeah.
So those are just a side together. Remember, the push foot is more important than the foot that's heading down line. Slow, slow rotate, quick, 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 rotate, slow. We said that as a lead, I'm going to have a tether ball moment. She's the ball, I'm the pole, and I'm going to sweep her in front. That means that I actually need to hang back a little bit to make that work. All right?
She wants to set us up. We're going to have our hands pointed whichever pocket that we want to shimmy into, but in this case, it'll be line and dance. Da, 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 da,
And rotate.
quick,
quick. Then we took that same concept of rotating our core leads, and generally speaking, I want a nice sturdy core as I'm doing this, so I'm not mushy through the middle, right?
We've got our opera singer on, right?
That's right. So then I've got my slow, slow, and I'm going to turn a little bit, quick, quick. I won't get all the way, and now I'm going to back up line of dance. Reach, reach. Now here's the swing around. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Come around, back, back, quick, quick, slow, quick, and back, back, and quick, quick. And I think it's possible, but that's
I
all
think that's pretty
that
much what we did. 2